Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 3rd October. And first of all, national news. Mahatma Gandhi was nominated several times but was never awarded the Nobel Prize panel. Vande Bharat train drivers spotted stones road on tracks in Rajasthan hit emergency brake. Important to know caste statistics of India. Rahul Gandhi on census. Naxal violence in Chhattisgarh went down 52% between 2018 and 2022. Senior IAS officers' tenure as Aadhaar Authority CEO extended by a year. Bihar caste survey result out. Nitish Kumar shared the plan ahead. WhatsApp banned 74 lakh accounts in India in August. 5.2 earthquake hit Meghalaya, tremors in Assam, parts of northeast. Bapu's legacy extended far beyond India. Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Now international news. Philippines allies kick off naval drills amid Asia Pacific tension. Britain believed US. Poland will continue to support Ukraine. Dutch regulator rejected Apple's objections to $53 million fine. China's 2024 lunar mission Chang'e 6 to carry payload from Pakistan, a report said. Our victory depends on our cooperation, Zelensky to EU ministers. India to help maintain sites linked to Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa and vogue. Climate goal depends on massive private sector investment, IMF. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella testified in US Google antitrust trial. World Bank downgrades East Asia's growth forecast due to slowdown in China, a report said. Now, some sports news. Asian Games 2023 October highlights. India touched 60 medal mark. Athletics continue to boost campaign. India's bronze upgraded to silver following Sri Lanka's disqualification in 4 multiply 400 meter mixed relay. Ronaldinho confirmed his maiden visit to Kolkata in mid-October. Ajay Jadeja named Afghanistan's mentor for Cricket World Cup 2023. Business related news. Coal India production jumped 12.6% in September. Over 30 lakh audit reports filed on Income Tax Department website. Reliance bagged Dunjo co-founder quit startup to restructure. GST collection rose 10% to over 1.62 lakh crore in September 2023. Science related news. NASA rover spots dust devil swirling on Martian surface. And astronomers found abundance of Milky Way like galaxies in early universe. And that's all in news. Thank you.